Western Digital has announced the integration of quantum-resistant encryption into its Ultrastar UltraSMR storage drives, a move aimed at addressing emerging cybersecurity threats from future quantum computing systems. The company's latest enterprise storage solution now includes NIST-certified ML-DSA-87 encryption paired with RSA-3072 in a dual-signature configuration. This combination is designed to protect firmware authenticity and the device's trust chain while still being compatible with existing infrastructure. The technology is currently being tested by major hyperscale data center clients, indicating a real-world deployment path for this advanced security framework. The cybersecurity risk this addresses is known as the harvest now, decrypt later threat. This occurs when attackers collect encrypted data now with the intention of decrypting it later using more powerful quantum systems. Western Digital's new cryptographic framework is intended to prevent this by ensuring that firmware and data remain secure even against future quantum decryption capabilities. This is a significant step in enterprise storage security, especially for companies handling sensitive data. The announcement coincided with a 4.84% drop in WDC's stock price, closing at $458.68 on Monday. Despite this short-term decline, the stock has still gained nearly 170% year-to-date. Analysts remain bullish, with 15 analysts giving a strong buy rating and an average target. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Price of $504.33, suggesting a potential 10% upside. The market's mixed reaction highlights the balance between the company's long-term strategic moves and investor expectations. The integration of post-quantum cryptography into storage solutions is a growing trend in the tech industry, as companies prepare for the eventual reality of quantum computing. Western Digital's move positions it at the forefront of this transition. The company's Ultrastar DC-HC6100 UltraSMR hard disk drives are now equipped with this advanced security, which is being validated by hyperscale data center operators. This is a key step in ensuring that enterprise storage remains secure in the face of evolving threats. The dual signature approach used by Western Digital combines ML-DSA-87 with RSA-3072 to provide layered protection. ML-DSA-87 is a lattice-based digital signature algorithm that is currently under NIST's FIPS 204 certification. This is part of the broader NIST post-quantum cryptography standardization process, which is expected to define the next generation of encryption protocols. By adopting these standards early, Western Digital is positioning itself as a leader in enterprise storage security. The cybersecurity implications of this move are significant. As quantum computing becomes more viable, current encryption methods may become obsolete. By integrating quantum-resistant encryption now, Western Digital is future-proofing its storage solutions and addressing a critical gap in enterprise data security. This is particularly important for hyperscale clients, which manage vast amounts of data and are prime targets for cyber threats. The market's response to the announcement is telling. While the stock dipped on Monday, the broader trend remains upward. This suggests that while investors may be reacting to the immediate stock movement, they still see long-term value in Western Digital's strategic direction. The company's ability to innovate in storage security could become a key differentiator in a competitive market. Looking ahead, the next signal to watch is the outcome of the validation testing with hyperscale clients. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. If these tests are successful, it could lead to broader adoption of the quantum-resistant storage technology and further validation from the cybersecurity and enterprise storage communities. This could, in turn, influence investor sentiment and stock performance. In summary, Western Digital's integration of quantum-resistant encryption into its enterprise storage drives is a strategic move with significant cybersecurity implications. The company is positioning itself to lead in a future where quantum computing poses a real threat to current encryption standards. The next key development will be the results of the ongoing validation tests with hyperscale clients, which will determine the technology's real-world viability and adoption potential.